What up, my traders? You're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So, guys, in today's video, guys, we're going to be breaking down gold, right? I'm going to be giving you guys full top down analysis, and the very reason why you guys have been losing money so far, right? You guys have been making a lot of losses so far. So, in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys why you have been losing money for the past 1 month, right? A lot of you trying to trade gold, you're definitely going to be hitting your stop loss, right? As you can see in this market right now, a lot of stop losses has been hit, right? So let's just check the weekly time frame, right? If you check this area right now, okay, you will discover that for those of you that have been trading like for like a month, you will discover that you have been making more losses than your profit. The reason why this is happening is simple. It's because the market is ranging, right? So, but before we get into that, we're going to be doing a proper full down analysis of this market to understand what the fuck is going on with gold. Why can't I make money with this shit right now, right? So let's first of all, for you to do your first proper top down analysis, one, you want to mark out your top key areas. Okay, you have to go to the monthly time frame. I know that most of you don't like looking at monthly time frame. You just say your 1 hour is your best. Some will say 2 hours is their best time frame. Some will say 15 minutes is their best time frame because that's when they trade. But if you want to understand how the hedge funds think, those guys that actually move the market, how they reason and how they function, right? You need to go to the monthly time frame, okay? And once you are in the monthly time frame, this is where you want to do your top down analysis to understand what the hell is going on with this market, right? Now, if you look at the monthly time frame, what you're going to discover right now is that you have a highly bullish engulfing candlestick right here, followed by another candlestick right here, and then it has given up an equal high, right? This high is coming from 2022, March of 2022. Okay, it has given up an equal high right here. Okay, so now what this means is that this is a major zone, right? This is a major zone. The market has met a major zone, and then the market starts retracing, right? Now there's a law with forex. There's this saying that for every time the market trends for a very long time, is going to range. So the market range basically for like 60 minutes, 60% of the time, and then trends for like 40% of the time. So as a trader, it is your job to look for when the market is trending, because that is when you make profit. Okay, you want to avoid a ranging market, and sometimes if you are always in the 1 hour or 2 hour time frame, always looking for opportunities, you will not even know when the market is ranging. You will not know, right? For example, let's even go to 1 hour. Let me show you guys something. Okay, somebody trading in this time frame right now, all you are going to see is that the market is actually moving. Okay, you say, okay, and the market is going down. Okay, the market is actually going down. Like if you look at this from far, you would discover that this market is going down. Okay, look at, you see. But if you want to do proper market analysis, you know that this is a range, even from this what you are seeing right now. Okay, look at what the market did right here, right? This is a higher high. A normal ranging market, what you're supposed to see. Let me just give you the picture of what you're supposed to see. Okay, so a normal trending market, if the market is bullish, you're supposed to see a higher low, then put up a higher high, put up another higher low, gives you another higher high, right? Same way, if you want to see this is another high low. But if you want to see what will I call a market that is bearish, a bearish trend, you should expect to see something like this, right? You put up it will put up a lower high. The market will put up a lower high, okay, and then put up a lower low, and then a lower high, put up another lower low, and then a lower high, another lower low, right, and then a lower high. Now, if the market is behaving like this is your love, man. This kind of market you want to be in. This is what will make you that money, that dough you've been looking for, that extra dough you're looking for, right? This is the market you want to be in. Okay, if the market is like this, it is perfect. Okay, but the moment you start seeing a behavior like this, market will give you a high, right, For example, market gives you this let me say market gives you a high like this probably, and gives you a low. Okay, comes here, gives you another high, right, and then gives you a low, just confusing you. Yeah, this is not market structure. Okay, the market is not going anywhere. So once you start seeing this, once you start seeing things like this in a sorry, okay, let me just delete this. Once you start seeing something like that, right, you know that the market is ranging, because probably you start seeing that in a lower time frame. And what happens is that, for example, if you put in your profit, you put in your sell right here. Maybe you draw your trade line right like this. Okay, let me just put this. Probably you put your trade line right here. Okay, you put your trade line, and then you see your first touch, your second touch, and then your touch. So you expect the market to go down. Sure, you get, then the market will go down, maybe gives you a lot of pips, up to 100 or 200 pips. Okay, and then when the market starts retracing, you probably go out of the market. And once the market retraces to somewhere right here, if you put your Fibonacci tool, you see this will be 50, like share around 50, that 50 60 something region. Okay, and then you want to put in another sell trade right here. So that is how you trade the market. Okay, but once the market starts ranging, this market, this pullback might actually come back to the top, right? This is how ranging market behaves. And you see another, and if it comes out to the top, it will take your stop loss. That's what happens. So once the market is ranging, you see pullbacks that will go against the previous high. You know that this market is fucking ranging, guy. You don't want to be in that market, right? You want to trade other pairs, or you want to just leave it, let it be. Okay, but what I want to do in this video is, guys, to tell you guys how to understand the market flow and to know when to trade and when not to trade. Okay, because it's not every time you should be trading. I know that a lot of you guys want to stick to one pair. Okay, for people like you that your strategy only works with one pair, what I'm going to be teaching you now is to help you know why that your strategy might stop working. Because most of the time, even indicators and whatever strategy you're using might not work if the market is ranging. Most indicators will only work when the market is trending. Okay, so you want to identify that this market is either ranging or trending for you to be able to implement that your amazing strategy and maybe extract funds from this market. All right, so let's go back to our monthly time frame, right? Because what I want to do right now is to give you a proper top-down analysis of gold so that you will know what to expect at least 2 months from now. I'm trying to tell you, I'm going to be telling you at least how you can be able to catch up to 1,000 pips from where the market is right now and how you can do that. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So if you have lost money in the past week, just pay attention to all I'm going to be telling you in this video. You're definitely going to be, if you pay attention to my analysis, I'm sure my analysis is always right at least 80% of the time. All right, I'm not saying I'm 100% perfect, but if you watched my first video, you would see that the first video I did, the analysis I did is already playing out, and definitely this one too is going to play out. Okay, so now guys, what you want to do on your monthly time frame is to see what the candle patterns are saying, because every candle pattern right here takes 1 full month to form, right? So now this is a bearish candle pattern, right? Another one is taking shape right here, but it's still having up to 9 days to go. So you don't draw a conclusion on the candle until it is fully closed. That's when you know what information candle is having. As long as the candle is still in the market, you want to let it be, guys. You want to let it be. Allow it to close first. Okay, so let's go to the weekly and see what the weekly has to say. Now, if you look at the weekly, it to be very clear to you that you are in a ranging market, brothers. As you can see, you have a doji, and then you have is it fat man or what is it called, and then you have another inverse doji right here again, long leg doji, almost like a hang. Okay, this is not a hanging man, this is a long leg doji. Okay, now once you see this happening, this is indecision pattern, right? The market is not doing anything. If you see this on a weekly time frame, I'm sorry for anybody in the lower time frame, guys. Your stop loss is going to be smashed like mad. Okay, so the moment I saw this on the market, I saw this and I saw these two patterns emerge, right? I know that, guys, this market is ranging. right? The market is ranging, and it has done this before. It ranged somewhere around here, and now it's ranging here too. Okay, but first of all, you want to understand the direction of the whole market. Okay, now if you put your trend line right from where this move started, which is from here, okay, and touched this just a little bit, touch right. There's something you're going to discover right now. Okay, there's one touch, second touch, and there's third touch. Now for every third touch, what you expect to happen, sorry guys, for every top touch, what you expect to happen is the market, the third touch always does the magic, right? He said that the market pushes up, right, with a full force, or it pushes down with a massive force, all right, and it's going to cover a very large amount of pips when it starts moving. Okay, so right now that you are see clearly that it has broken this trend line. As long as this market is trading behind this trend line, it is a sell market. Right now, this is one confirmation it has broken trend line. If this market wanted to go up, at least it should have done that from here. Okay, and you don't trade when the market is still on the major zone, because there's a lot of market manipulations going on right here. This candle can still come and close up here. Okay, the candle can still come and close up here. So if you want to even trade this market, you want to wait and see this candle completely close below. Once this candle closes below on a weekly time frame, brothers and sisters, the next move or the next top of this market is going to be here, right, which is 1000 this is 1818 dollars, right? Okay, this region right here. So look at that price. Yeah, that is the region, that is where the price market is going. Okay, so if you start selling anywhere from here, let me even calculate the pips that you're going to be catching with this market. For example, if this candle closes around here, okay, and then you start selling from there to this place, ladies and gentlemen, you have 1132 pips. You're hearing it first from the king of chart, FX channel. 1000 pips, right? So guys, this kind of information you don't get it on YouTube, right? People don't give you this kind of information. This is what the hedge funds work with, the guys that move the market. This is the time frame they're operating. They don't operate with all those little 1 hour 15 minutes. Yeah, I know that you are a day trader or you're a scalper, but guys, if you know the direction the market is going to, right, and then you trade towards that direction, you are most likely to succeed, and your stop loss will not be touched. Okay, so whatever strategy you're using to enter the market, you now know that if this candle closes below, right, the market is going down, right, down. And if it bridges this region right here, there's a very strong region here too, but if it's bridging this too strong region right here, it is going down. But I can't say that for now, but one thing I'm certain is, if this weekly candle closes below, ladies and gentlemen, we are going down. Okay, now this is one confirmation. Let me even show you guys another confirmation right here. Right, we want to check out the market structure. That is the pattern that the market is giving us. All right, so maybe if I'm not saying it, let me go to a lower lower time. Right, okay, so guys, if you guys notice what is going on right here, I don't know if anybody has noticed what is going on right here. Okay, remember earlier there's a pattern that is called the head and shoulder pattern, right? There's a pattern called the head and shoulder. I'm already seeing it play out right here. I don't know if anybody is seeing it. And what that pattern simply means is that it's a trend reversal pattern. Okay, for example, when I drew that's my when I was giving you guys example earlier, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? If the market wants to turn around, it can do something like this. You can put in a lower low, right, and put in a lower high, and then put in another lower low. Okay, so from what you are seeing here now, you will discover that this is a head and a shoulder. As you can see that a head, a shoulder has formed right here, okay, because the market is about to reverse. That's why it's giving you this pattern, okay. But depending on the time frame you are looking at, some time frame it could become double top. This pattern might not show as a head and shoulder, it can be double top, right? Some other plans, some other time frame, it can be a shooting star candle pattern, okay. So depending on the time frame you are at, these patterns are going to show up. So you want to train your eyes to be able to identify these patterns so that you know when the market is changing direction. Now, if you look closely, you discover that has happened right here, right? This is a shoulder, and this is another shoulder, and this is another head. Okay, so let me just highlight this with let's say, let me use this okay, let me just use this to highlight them. Okay, this a head, and bring this right here, and put this here. This one right shoulder, and this another shoulder. Right, but if you want to see this clearly, let's just go down to a lower time frame, which is the 4 hours. I think this will do a better justice to it, right? So ladies and gentlemen, what you're seeing right now, let me just reduce this. Ladies and gentlemen, what you're seeing here is a head, a right shoulder and left shoulder. Okay, now this pattern is telling you that the market is about to change direction. Okay, now you can see that you have seen a pattern, a reversal pattern, then it has broken the third line, giving you the third touch, right? But if you look at this zone right here on this 4 hours time frame, you will discover that instead of the market to be giving you a lower high, a lower high and a lower low, a lower high and a lower low, it's giving you a lower high. It comes here to put a higher high, come here put a lower high, sure you understand, and it gives you a higher low, right? This is a lower low and this is a higher low, and it's another lower low here. So it doesn't make sense, guys. So in situations like this is what I do, guys. I'll tell you what I do, right? When the market is misbehaving like this, what I just do is I'll just take out this box right here. Okay, let me just just take out this box, and I want to box this, guys. I'll just box it. All right, so let me just box it right here. So I make sure that it touches one of these, right? And then yeah, so this is what I will do. Now the market, I'll just put in a box because this is a ranging market. I don't want to touch it, I don't want to mess with it. So what you want to wait for is for this market to break, right? Instead the markets break upwards, you know that okay, we are good to go. You look for a buy opportunity. Or if the market breaks downward, you know that okay, we are good to go. You look for a sell opportunity. But right now the market has already broken the trend line, right? Which means that I am more like 80% to sell this market, right? I'm more like 80% that this market is going to be a sell. But for me to conclude that, I need to wait for the weekly time frame, right? I need to wait to see the information this weekly time. I need to see a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. I don't want to see any more dojis, guys. In this place, I don't want to see any more dojis, right? The moment I start seeing a bearish, a bullish, a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, I know that, ladies and gentlemen, the trend is about to start moving, and that is when the King chart want to enter the market, right? So this is how this things is done in this industry. This is how you hit that massive pips, right? This is how you make that cool cash and avoid unnecessary losses. So guys, just take out the information that I've shared with you guys in this video and apply it in your trading skills. Okay, so this market is heading down. This is today's date. I'm doing this analysis is precisely on the 21 of June 2023. This is 21 of June 2023, and I'm favoring this market to the downside. This market is going to move from this region, and it's the next stop before I will look for any kind of reversal candlestick pattern is this region of 1805, right? This point 855. Yeah, this is the region I'm expecting the market to come to. But you know, guys, this is not going to take like a day. It might take 2-3 months or even 4 months to happen. But guys, it's better for you if you can enter a sell trade here, okay, and the market start moving. You hold that trade, guys. Hold it. Hold it. The reason why you should hold it is because if the market you move maybe comes to the region, right, comes into a range, you don't need to even trade. Just let it be. Once it finishes range, it continues its journey downwards. Okay, and then you will not be too much tensed. Okay, because the moment you keep trading every day, the chances of you losing is high. But if you do this kind of analysis I'm showing you, and you properly enter a sell market right here, you just allow the market to go up, down till it's hit your take profit. So guys, if you've gotten any value from this video, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. This is King Chart FX. Thank you guys for sticking with me to the end of this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.